Greetings from Krakow! I'm here with my friend Catriona, whom some of you might remember from my videos in Scotland. And we're just exploring the city for a bit now. We are up at the castle now. I think it's this building? I don't really have anything to tell you about the castle. I can tell you what we're doing on this trip though. So, well, why we're here.
Why are we here? Because I needed a holiday destination and a holiday buddy.
Yep. And who better than...
For my backpack! Woo!
Krakow now for 2 full days, 2.5 days each, sort of. I arrived first, I'll be leaving first, and this is my second time here, and Catriona's first.
My first time in Poland, very exciting.
In Poland?
Yeah.
Ah.
Look at us learning on video.
Very natural. Thinking about having some lunch at NapNap.
Oh, hello. We're here essentially because it's called NapNap.
We're gonna have a snack stack.
And NapNap. I'm eating the Polish dream. Let's see how dreamy it is.
We're now in Kazimierz? The Jewish Quarter, which I remember going to last time I was in Krakow and taking loads of photographs. So I'm already recognizing some corners that I've already featured on my blog. And I've had to put my big camera in my backpack because my shoulder was getting sore. So I'm sorry that now all the footage will be taken with my phone. Catriona and I have now stopped into a very cute cafe that we just saw through the window and decided we needed to make an excuse to have a drink. Do you know what it's called?
Cheder.
And we have both gotten red lattes. Not really sure what it is, but it sounds nice. Catriona and I have just come to Zielonym for breakfast. If you think I look very tired, it's because I had a very rushed morning. I did. I woke up this morning and I rolled over and Catriona was just staring at me, which made it very difficult to get my morning snooze in.
I was just, I happen to be looking that way.
And now we're waiting to get our breakfast and our coffee. So next time I see you, I'll look much better.
She hasn't told the best part of the story. So it was getting very stressful because we hadn't had breakfast. Sylvia wasn't talking because she was grumpy. She needed food. And we were just walking and walking. We found a cafe on Yelp, so we went to the cafe and it was closed. What is the date? It's the 29th of December. There's no reason to be closed on the 29th of December. Anyway, so then we were really downhearted and sad and like snowy and like gross. And then stumbled across this gem.
then to Schindler's factory, and we walked by the memorial at the ghetto, and
well, I mean, we saw it from
saw
our
it.
breakfast.
Yeah. And then we went to Reserved, which is
Like Polish H&M.
And then we went to a bakery.
Not just any bakery. This is the bakery you want to go to if you're in Poland. We've decided. We went there yesterday and today.
2 different branches.
Yeah, look, let's go.
And we got Polish donuts, which are... Yes, Katrina?
So sorry. Don't want to talk over you, but they're rose jam filled.
Now we're gonna try them. Or Katrina's, because I don't have another hand.
Look, it's like a boomerang.
This is the video.
I haven't got to the rose yet.
Oh, well, keep eating.
I'm a very slow
Okay,
eater.
let me try mine. I'll take a bigger bite. I just lost all my sugar. But I didn't get any jam.
We can come back for the jam.
Oh yeah, let's cut. Still no jam. And
No.
almost no sugar left either.
Maybe it's a lie. Maybe they say this, so you buy them?
It's a tourist trap. I'll write a blog post about it. Warning people.
Oh!
Mm-mm!
Did you see it?
Mm.
Oh no, there's sugar everywhere.
Just keep going. We're rolling. Still not there.
No, I'm a very slow chewer.
My arm's getting really sore from holding this up.
Wait, there it is.
There you have it. From Krakow.
So here we are in our local pizza joint.
Gonna have
cool.
some traditional Polish food.
I mean legit, our pizza is called Polska. So we're basically Polish. And it also had a camera next to it, suggesting to me that it was the most Instagrammable picture.
Yeah.
Pizza.
You
No.
want,
That's what you look for in your pizza.
yeah, photogenic pizza.
Exactly, it's important.
Yeah.
So we'll feedback when we have the pizza. Now legit, we've never seen this pizza before, so you're experiencing this with us. Ta-da! Wow! Like legit.
Yeah. And it also came with marinara sauce. And maybe garlic. So we're gonna enjoy this while watching Schindler's List.